1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, guys? Today we're learning to play the studio version of First Times by Sheeran. Not the one that he played live a month ago, the one that came out today. Before I get going, I've created this PDF with all the chord shapes. And let me just go through it. And the picking pattern, which is the hardest part of the song. The rest is really easy. Very minimal, very nice chord progression, very nice chords. And it's got the chords and lyrics. Now, the chords and lyrics that you find on Ultimate Guitar are going to be wrong according to the studio version, okay? Which is better, I think, than the one that he played live. And the studio version is really nice. So you can go download the PDF. I'll put the links in the description. But let's start with the song. So the picking pattern is going to be the hardest thing. So the first chord is just a G. I'll go over the chords in a second. But this is a G. So you get capo on the first fret, G, just with the second finger at the top. And the picking pattern goes like this. Boom. Da, 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 da. That's it. Da, 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 da. So you got G, A minor, G. So you got basically 1 on the G, 1 on the A, and then 2 on the E minor. Okay? I'll do it slowly. That's it. That's basically for the verses and the chorus. And the chorus has a C in, but anyway, once you have that. Then for the C, the D, and the E minor, so you do the same picking pattern. Sorry, let me just fix this. By the way, the PDF that you'll download will have this fixed version. Ah, sorry, that's also not right. There we go. I love this song. Like, good songs really inspire you to jam, which is what this song has done for me. And okay, so let's just quickly go over the chords. Obviously, you already got the G, A minor, and E minor. And then for C, I think he uses this shape. I'm not sure. The guy played live probably used this shape. You'll say, why the pinky? Because he's actually just playing 1. So it's because when you later want to learn extra stuff, it's good to play it like this. But you can just do 1 finger if you want to. C, and then D. It's basically going to be this shape. C, D, E minor. Really nice shapes to have in your repertoire for these chords. Picking pattern. And then the E minor, for the more advanced people, they do this. Or they do. Both of those can work. I would practice it first, the verse. Pre-chorus. And then he's got this, the pre-chorus has got this G/B, which I didn't put in the chords, but it's just like that. So for the G, you go. That's how that part goes. Dan dan ta ta ka dan 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 dan. Okay, let's just get the lyrics here so it makes more sense. Funny how the simplest things in life can. First kiss, first night. So for the chorus, it's just the same as the intro, except instead of going G, A minor, E minor, he goes G, A minor, E minor, and a C to fill up the E minor. So the chorus goes like this. First kiss, the first night, the first song that made you cry, the first drink, red wine, on a step in Brooklyn Nine. You get the idea. Okay, that's it. I don't want to spend too much time on this song. It's pretty basic. Once you have the picking pattern and the chords, you're fine. So just keep in mind the C you can play with just one finger. And then the E minor you could do if you wanted to. There's so many ways you can play this, but stick with the chords I gave you and you're good. Just remember with the C, the D, and the E minor, you don't have to use the pinky, you can just go. Sometimes he does this F sharp thing where he goes. But that's just kind of little nuances that the more advanced players will anyway hear and will be able to apply. Ding, ding. I want to tell you guys about private lessons. I give private lessons. This song took me about an hour to figure out. Not bragging, it's a pretty easy song, but I figure songs out like these for my students all the time. So if they want to learn a specific artist, then I help them work on those songs. I explain the theory behind the song, and most of the lesson is with the student playing, not me playing, so I kind of just guide them to figure things out themselves and to learn songs quickly and not spend too much time learning something that's not on your skill level, you know, just learning path, things like that. Anyway, it's brilliant. Private lessons are amazing, and you can sign up for private lessons right now if you want to. Have a nice day. Cheers.